Namaste. Let's get comfortable for today's pranayama practice. Gently sit in a meditative posture, cross-legged or vajrasan, whatever you feel that feels right for you right now. Palms facing upwards on your knees to receive the higher, divine energy. Allow yourself to straighten your spine, relax the shoulders, and very gently close your eyes. Very gently allow yourself to take a few deep, cleansing breaths. As the breath goes in and the breath goes out, connect to your intention, your purpose for today's practice. Feel that sense of groundedness, feeling centered as we use the power of the breath. Today's practice will be divided in 3 stages, 3 different breathing techniques. We'll begin with Vibhagya Shwasanam, also known as the yogic breath or sectional breathing. We'll breathe through the tummy, the abdomen region, then through the chest, and finally the clavicular, the shoulders. So very gently place your right hand on your tummy, and you'll be breathing completely through the abdomen. Allow the belly to expand and contract. Try not to use the chest or the shoulders at all, completely breathing through the belly. Let's get ready as you exhale your breath out. In, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4. 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 In, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4, and relax. Come back to a natural state of breathing. Just relax. Take a moment as you gently place your hand by your heart center. You'll be breathing completely through the chest. Exhale the breath out. In, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4. 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 In, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, and 4. Relax. Natural rhythm of the breath. Take a moment. Allow the prana to flow freely through your entire being. Feel that sense of quietude and peace. Now let's breathe through the clavicular. That means you're going to shrug your shoulders towards the ears, and then you'll release them completely. Let's get started as you exhale the breath out. In, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4. 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 In, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, and relax. Just relax. Take a moment. Feel the breath. Feel that depth within your breath. Allow your breath to become your best friend. Now let's combine all 3 stages. So you'll breathe in for 4 counts through the belly, then the chest, and then shrugging the shoulders up. And as you exhale, you're going to release those shoulders, release the chest, and then the belly. Let's try to combine all 3 in one. Get ready as you exhale your breath out. In, 2, 3, 4. Out, 2, 3, 4. 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 Relax. Take a moment. Feel the prana. Feel the energies. And allow yourself to just be. Just be. Let us glide into the second stage of today's breathwork practice. We'll be doing Bhastrika Pranayama together, which will really help activate your entire being as it's classified as a coffee breath. We'll be doing 3 rounds of 20 together. Let's get ready for the first round. What you'll do is you're going to inhale forcefully and you're going to exhale forcefully as well. We'll be using the help of our hands. You'll be placing your hands by the shoulders into a fist, and when you bring the hands up, open up those fingers, and then you'll bring them down as you exhale. Let's try it together. Exhale the breath out. Prepare your hands. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Relax. Well done. Beautiful. Take a moment to center yourself as you become more comfortable with this breathing technique. Let's glide into round 2. Prepare your hands. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Relax. Well done. Take a moment of silence. Just relax. Allow the energies to flow. Relax the hands, relax the body. And let's prepare for round 3. Prepare your hands, fist near your shoulders. And 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Relax. Just relax. A few deep inhalations and deep exhalations, allowing the prana to flow freely, and feel a shift in your own energies. As we glide into our final stage of today's practice, Bhramari Pranayam, the bumblebee breath. This is a beautiful pranayam to truly cool down the nervous system. Feel a deep sense of peace and inward connection. For this pranayam, you'll be placing your hands in Shanmukhi Mudra, your thumbs in the ears, index finger above the eyebrows, middle finger by the eyes, ring finger by the nose, and pinky finger resting on your cheeks. You're going to take a deep inhalation, and as you exhale, you're going to make the ma sound. I'll just demonstrate once. Today we'll be practicing 10 rounds at your own pace. Allow yourself to chant ma 10 times. Let's get ready as you take a deep breath in. And relax. Release the hands on the knees and take a few last moments of absolute silence, absorbing all of these beautiful energies connected to your peace center. We are coming to the end of today's practice. Gently allow yourself to bring your hands into Namaskara Mudra, prayer position, taking a moment to expand our consciousness for the well-being of one and all. May all be happy and free. May we all be instruments of peace on this earth. Bow your head down. As you gently rub your palms together, generate that energy. Give yourself a beautiful massage on the forehead and the cheeks in the upward direction. Looking at both your palms, gently opening up your eyes with the heightened experience of peace and positivity. Namaste.